Welcome to iBiZZtax channel.
Actually, for HP, if you have assets under hire purchase, you do not key in at fixed asset, but you to key in at hire purchase. Because at hire purchase, we will also be able to key in claim capital allowance. We have this part being built to claim capital allowance as well. So we will key in from here and then indicate we are going to claim CA. Alright, so let's say I have an example for motor vehicle, like maybe a car. Alright, change it to Peru. Alright, so you can actually choose financing, which type of financing, okay, year acquired, 2025. You have to key the date acquired so that you'll be able to key in the rest of the information, okay. Alright, so asset type, vehicle. Okay, interest method you can actually choose from here is all for straight line, sum of digit. We have formula in the software. So if you do not if you do not have either these two methods and you wish to key in the information yourself, then you choose undefined. So in our scenario, I'll just choose straight line. Okay, so for the purchase price, this amount will always be the amount that is reflected in our accounts audited report. So you put in the full amount, which is the original cost of the asset. So for example, the purchase price is 60k. Okay, down payment I made maybe 24k down payment. Alright, and then finance charges of 3,006. Okay, my loan off period, I can take a 3-year loan. Okay, so from my principal, we'll get purchase price minus down payment is actually 36k left remaining. So we divide by 36, you actually get a 1k monthly principal. Alright, then a 100 monthly interest as well. Okay, so moving forward, you come to period of loan balance. This is actually referring to how many installments which are left at the beginning of the year. So for this example, it's actually 36 because we only bought the car during the year. So loan off period and period of loan balance, all these are actually referring to numbers, and also the installment paid is also referring to numbers. It's actually referring to the number of installments. Okay, so for period of loan balance as of the beginning of the year, it should be 36 months. Okay, so principal paid, since we got the car in January, we assume that we started paying in January as well. So it will be 12k because the monthly principal is 1k, and interest paid it will be 1,002. And then the installment paid, as what I mentioned, this one refers to the number of installments, which is 12. Alright, so when you finish all the data entry, alright, you proceed to claim capital allowance. Okay, so we need to choose what group is this, whether it's commercial or non-commercial vehicle, and then whether to claim CA and what type it is. Maybe it's if it's a new car, you know the restriction, and for second-hand car system has already cap it at 50k. Okay, so for cost addition, all these, if you use the tab key on the keyboard, it will be automatically reflected. So how do we derive this 36k? It's actually down payment plus principal paid. Alright, but for the AA, we'll change it to 20%. Okay, so once you submit, the data will appear here. Alright, and then at the same time, it will also appear in CA schedule. Alright, the original cost, qualifying cost, all has been reflected here already. And the IAA is also calculated by our software. Alright, so this is how we key in the HP